iPaaS platforms were built for internal workflows, not for embedding integrations into your SaaS product. Their architecture typically relies on scheduled syncs and storing third-party data. This is fine for internal automation, but for product integrations, it means stale data, a poor developer experience, and a major compliance headache. Today, the requirements have changed. Users demand real-time data. Products need dozens, even hundreds of integrations, and AI features depend on fresh information. Traditional iPaaS architectures weren't designed for this scale or speed. This has driven a fundamental shift from sync-based models to real-time, on-demand access. A new category has emerged: real-time unified APIs. They don't store customer data or run sync jobs. Instead, data is fetched live from the source system every single time. This architectural change is critical. It reduces latency, simplifies maintenance, and shrinks your compliance scope. It's the difference between an AI feature that works and one that fails. So while iPaaS has its place, if you're building modern SaaS integrations, the architecture you choose determines everything.